If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if you have any suggestion, you can comment below. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to get data from API by using Dio and Flutter Getx package. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, I have used two packages. One is Dio for getting data from API and another one is Getx. This is the particular package for using Flutter Getx. Okay, so first of all, I will have to create a model. So for that, this is my API and this is the data which I will fetch from API. So for creating model, just copy this. This is the easiest way. And for this, go to this JSON converter, copy paste your data, give the name of the data class which you want to give. It is converted here, just select all, copy it from here, close this and simply paste here. Okay, so our model is created. And for using Getx, you will have to use get material app here. Previously it was like material app. For using Getx, you will have to use get material app. Okay, and this is my inside this home. I have used my custom widget. Okay, this is my custom widget. I have named it home screen, but ignore this. My class name is my custom widget, and I will come back in this screen. So after that, I have created Getx class, Getx controller class. Basically, I've named this get data controller, which extends Getx controller, and inside this there is basically no use of this. You can comment it. Okay, I have taken one variable which is loading false, and it is initialized with false, and I have used .obs. .obs basically is used when you are using when we are using Getx, so that its value will be updated as soon as its value is changed. Okay, so it is same as get data model. It is also like same as the model that I have created. I am initializing it. Okay, so after that I have created one method, async method basically, and I am making this is loading variable as true when this method is calling. Okay, so while using OBS and Getx, you will have to use value for that. Okay, so there is a try method, and inside try I'm calling a Dio like await. We will have to wait for few seconds for getting the data from the server. That is why I've used here await, and this method is async. I have used this API basically URL here, which is this one. Okay, this is my URL. This is the get method, and again I'm using get data model dot value for getting the data from the API, like get data model. Okay, get data model dot from JSON, and this is my response dot data. This is the same get data model that I have created here. This is my model. Okay, so this is the same get data model from JSON. Okay, and this is my response dot data, and I'm printing this also. And after, when the data is fetched from the API, is loading value is false, so the circular loader or indicator will be off. Okay, so that is it from this controller class. Now jump into the main screen, home screen. Basically, for taking the values of controller class, you will have to create this get data controller, make it final, and you will have to use get dot put and the name of the get data controller that I have created here. Okay, So this is created. You can call easily get data controller dot any method or any value you can access from this class, get data controller class. Okay, so after creating this, look, as I am calling inside init state get data controller dot get data from API. This is the method that I have created in get data controller, like here. Okay, hope you will understand this. Okay, so for accessing the value, this is the basic, this by writing this, by typing this command, you can basically call this method, and for getting the method from the controller class, you will have to wrap your scaffold or particular widget with this obx. Okay, so I will show you how it is possible. Like it is obs. Okay, make you understand it is possible. Okay, previously it will look like this. Okay, then now I will have to wrap this particular scaffold inside obx because we want to take data from the controller class, right? So for that I'm wrapping it widget and obx, and I will delete this, again parenthesis, that is it. So our scaffold is wrapped inside obx. Okay, now this is my app bar, and inside the body I am checking the condition first, like get data control dot is loading value is not true. This is the exclamation sign. It means that if the value is false, okay, then list the data inside the list will be called. Otherwise, if it is true, then the circular progress indicator will be shown. So it is happening according to this condition. When our this particular method is calling, then the value is true, so the circular progress bar will be shown. Okay, I will run the application and let you understand each and everything. Okay, so inside, when the condition is false, okay, so list view builder, I have taken list view builder widget, and item count will be this get data controller get model dot value people dot length. As you can see here, that this is our particular array people. Okay, so what I will call get data controller dot get model, because our data is stored in this get data model. Okay, so first of all I will call, but basically I will call this get data controller. This is the get data controller, then get data model, because our data, when I am calling this method, so this method basically provides the data from the API inside this model, and again I'm calling this model dot value, and then people dot length, basically this particular array, this is the length of our list. Okay, and then item builder, inside this it is context and index, and inside that I have taken card and a padding of 15. You can make your UI according to you, and inside text I am showing again I am taking the data. Which data? This data name. Okay, so like get data controller, again I will fetch the data from get data model, because the data from server is saved inside this, and you will have to access a value of this particular model from value, because it is named as obs. Okay, so you will have to use value. Okay, and then people means this particular array, and inside that I will have to access this name. Okay, so I will have to use index dot name. Okay, so this is the thing. Let me run this app. It is running for the first time. So this is the loading indicator. If we are getting the data from the server and if there is delay, so it is showing the circular dialog box, and when the data is arrived from the server, then it is able to show inside the list. This particular thing is because of this value which we are taking from this controller class, and we are also taking this is loading value with the help of this value, because this particular thing is loading is used as .obs, and this is the getx value. Okay, so this is my data, this is particular this data. Now if I want to take this craft data also, so what I will do, I will put this craft value over this above this particular name. Okay, so for that I will wrap this widget inside column and create another text widget, and call this get data controller dot get data model dot value dot people array index and dot craft. So that's the craft value. Okay, and let us run this app. Here it is. This is my craft value and this is the name of the particular person, like this ISS Oleg Artmev. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, let me put the value little bit up towards the left. Okay, so for the sorry, cross axis alignment, and okay, so let's start. Okay, here it is. So that is it from this video. I will put the link of my code inside the description box. I will put this code on Git, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.